Yo, so I'm headed to Arcadia to film this big 11,000 square foot, $8.89 million house. Found it off of a cold voicemail I left the other day. You might have seen it if you are an avid watcher on this channel. By the way, my name is Roman Gonzalez. This is episode 19 of Get Your Foot in the Door. Let's go check out this cold call house call. Alright, just pulled up the house. It's a little bit after 5 p.m. Got some drone shots knocked out already. Let's check out this house. Yo, that's a wrap. About to get one last drone shot with the lights on and the sun setting. Then we're done. Appreciate you. Hit like, hit subscribe. Peace.